Hey, welcome back to another video of Tech TV. In this video, we are going to learn how to change your username in GoCardless account. First of all, open up your preferred web browser. Now at the search bar, type in gocardless.com and click on enter. Make sure that you are logged into your account. After logging in, you can see settings icon which is at the top right corner of your screen. Click on it, then click on user settings link here. After that, to change your username, you need to replace this first name and last name from here. After replacing or changing your first name and last name, you have successfully changed your username. You also need to click on Save Changes button here. Click on it. Now go to the homepage of GoCardless website and click on Settings button, and you can see that your username has been changed. So that is how you can change your username in GoCardless account. Thank you for watching this video. Please do not forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel and comment down if you have any queries.